In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best RC planes that will elevate your experience, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. From sleek designs to powerful performance, these planes are sure to impress. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Volantexrc Ranger 600 RC Plane. The Volantexrc Ranger 600 RC Plane is a versatile 2.4 GHz, 4-channel remote-controlled aircraft that brings fun, performance, and ease of use to the skies. With a 600mm fixed-wing design and 6-axis gyro stabilizer, it ensures a smooth and stable flight, even in light wind. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, this plane offers something for everyone. One of the standout features of the Volantexrc Ranger 600 is its X-Pilot gyro stabilizer system. This system makes the aircraft incredibly stable, allowing for easy control. This RC plane has 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert. The beginner mode offers full assistance, helping you master the basics, while the expert mode gives experienced pilots full control for advanced aerobatics. Once you get the hang of it, the Volantexrc Ranger 600 is ready for some aerobatic fun. With just a push of a button, the plane can perform stunts in the air, offering hours of excitement. The design of the plane allows it to take off and hover in the sky, waiting for your next move. Thanks to its pusher-glider design with a rear propeller, the plane can fly without power for short periods, saving battery life and extending your flight time. Expect up to 20 minutes of continuous flying for endless outdoor adventure. With a radio-controlled distance of up to 656 feet, you can enjoy a thrilling experience without worrying about losing connection. Number 4. FX9631 RC Plane. The FX9631 RC Plane is a 4-channel, large-size J-35 ducted fighter with a brushless motor offering impressive power and performance. With a fuselage length of 20.8 inches and a wingspan of 14.5 inches, this plane is built for precision flying and great aerodynamics. The airplane is made from EPP foam material, making it lightweight and highly impact-resistant so you can fly confidently without worrying about crashes. The FX9631 is equipped with a brushless motor, providing strong, smooth power for easy left and right turns, as well as climbing and descending. The airplane's 6-axis gyroscope flight stabilization system ensures a stable flight, making it easier to control, even in windy conditions. This feature is especially helpful for beginners, as it reduces shaking and instability during flight. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this plane is designed with versatility in mind. It has 3 flight modes: 6G, 6G2, and 3D, allowing you to progress from a beginner-friendly mode to more advanced stunt flying. With the 6-axis gyroscope and multifunction control, you can easily achieve aerial stunts like 360-degree rolling and rotating, making each flight more exciting. Thanks to its 7.4-volt, 650 mAh lithium battery, the FX9631 offers a flight time of up to 12 minutes on a single charge. Plus, the plane comes with a spare battery, allowing you to extend your flying fun. The charging time is about 45 minutes, ensuring you're back in the air quickly. Number 3. WLtoys X450 RC Airplane. The WLtoys X450 RC Airplane is a 6-channel, 2.4 GHz remote-controlled aircraft that offers 3 unique flight modes. It is equipped with an 11.1-volt, 1000 mAh lithium polymer battery, allowing for 15 to 16 minutes of flight time in horizontal mode and up to 12 minutes in vertical flight. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to spend more time flying and less time charging. One of the standout features of the WLtoys X450 is its built-in 6-axis gyroscope system, which provides exceptional stability during flight. This system makes it easier for beginners to learn how to fly, while also allowing advanced pilots to enjoy smooth, controlled flights. The aircraft also features altitude hold, which helps keep the plane steady at a constant height with minimal effort. With the 3 flight modes: vertical flight, horizontal flight, and multi-rotor flight, you can experience different types of flying, from hovering to agile maneuvers, making it fun for all skill levels. The 3-dimensional and 6-dimensional mode switch allows easy transition between stable flying and aerobatic tricks, making it perfect for performing stunts like flips and rolls. The WLtoys X450 RC airplane is made with impact-resistant engineering (EPO) material, reinforced with a carbon fiber rod for added durability. It features 3 brushless motors with high-efficiency blades, providing powerful thrust for a smooth flight experience. With 4 digital servos, the airplane is highly responsive and able to execute quick movements in any direction. Number 2. Volantex P51D RC Plane. The Volantex P51D Red Mustang is a 4-channel remote-controlled airplane equipped with a 2.4 GHz communication protocol, offering strong anti-interference capabilities. It has an impressive control range of up to 656 feet, allowing you to enjoy flying in open spaces without interference. Whether you're just starting or already have experience, this plane offers 3 levels of flight control assistance: beginner, intermediate, and expert, so you can easily transition as you improve. What makes the Volantex P51D Red Mustang stand out is its X-Pilot Gyro Stabilizer system. This system ensures stable flight, even in light wind, making it perfect for beginners. To launch the plane, simply press the button, hold the left stick, and throw it into the air. It will automatically take off and hover, waiting for your command. The plane is made from high-strength EPP foam with carbon fiber reinforcement, making it durable and stable during flights. It's powered by a 1020 coreless motor, delivering strong power for great performance. With its upgraded gearbox system, this RC plane can fly continuously for up to 20 minutes, offering longer flight times compared to other models. The battery charges in about 2 hours and provides plenty of flying fun. One of the best things about the Volantex P51D Red Mustang is how easy it is to get started. It comes fully assembled, so you just need to add the transmitter batteries, and you're ready to fly in under a minute. Number 1. QF9 Su-35 4-channel aircraft. The QF9 Su-35 is an upgrade to the classic Su-35 fighter, now equipped with a brushless motor for more power and efficiency. This 4-channel aircraft allows you to easily perform multiple maneuvers, including ascending, descending, and flying sideways. With 6-axis gyroscope technology, the plane offers superior stability, making it easy for both beginners and advanced pilots to control. The aircraft is made from EPP foam material, a shock-resistant and durable material that minimizes damage from crashes and extends the life of the plane. The addition of an anti-collision silicone head further enhances its resistance to impacts. The QF9 Su-35 comes with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, which ensures a strong, stable connection with the aircraft, allowing for a remote control range of up to 600 meters. The plane is powered by a 7.4-volt 700 mAh lithium battery, which gives it a flight time of 12 to 15 minutes on a full charge. One of the standout features of this plane is its ability to perform stunts with ease. With the 3-dimensional mode and 6-dimensional mode, you can perform a wide range of aerobatic actions, including one-key inverted flying. It's perfect for thrill seekers looking for exciting aerial displays. The QF9SU35 is built for durability and stability, featuring a 6-axis gyroscope automatic stabilization flight system that helps maintain smooth flight, even for beginners. The adjustable rudder settings allow for precise control, whether you're flying in a large space or performing intricate maneuvers. And there you have it, the top 5 best RC planes for 2025. Whether you're looking for something fast, durable, or easy to control, these options have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more exciting RC content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.